We're approaching a set of traffic light control crossroads, and at these crossroads we have road markings to guide us with our turn. Let's take a look. As you approach this junction, our lane will be splitting into two. The left lane will go left and straight, and the right lane will be turning right. So check the center right door mirror, signal right, and move to the right of our lane. And as we drive along, we're going to follow the white line out, which will lead us into the right lane. We need to now look at how we'll be positioning to make this turn. We do have some road markings to guide us. We have the curved shaded area, and so what we would do, we'd start steering with the curb and we'd drive up to the edge of the lane for oncoming traffic. Now there are two lanes for oncoming traffic. The lane this silver car is using is turning to our left, so we can turn in front of that lane, and the other lane is coming towards us and turns to our right. So we drive up to the edge of this lane. On this occasion we wouldn't stop for a couple of reasons. Firstly, there isn't any oncoming traffic and there's nothing preventing us from completing the turn. And secondly, the traffic light has turned back to red. So there's a good chance if there were any oncoming traffic, their light would also have turned red. So if there was any oncoming traffic, you can't assume they have the red stoplight. So you would have to wait for them to kind of slow down or stop at the lights before completing the turn. Now we've completed the turn, check the center right door and left door mirror and carry on.